Okay guys, I just purchased this Oklahoma Joe's Rambler charcoal grill. It has 220 pounds of a cooking surface and it weighs about 50 pounds. So I purchased this thing at Academy for $149. I received a $75 gift card from Christmas, so it didn't cost me much at all. Now what I've been doing now, if you look at the grill, I got it sitting on my blacktop stand just to see how hot the bottom gets and everything. I've been doing it for about an hour now. I'll put maybe, I don't know, 2 pounds of charcoal in there. Let's put a couple pieces of wood in there and see if when it smokes. What I love about this grill is it has a damper right here, control that. It has a damper down here. Right there, open this damper up. Control your airflow, control your heat. Now right now I got a gauge that's resting on the bottom is 466. And over here, it's sitting right about, I don't know, 430, which is about 30, I average about 30 degrees off. Of course, this is why their gauge is sitting about a foot from my gauge. So it's 30 degrees off. Now what I was doing earlier today, I was seasoning my cast iron grills. These are cast iron, very nice, they're not gonna rust out. I season them with flaxseed oil. They have a really good book to give you. Tells you how to season everything if you never seasoned anything before. Look at that. There's charcoal down in there. Throw some wood in the bottom. A little oak wood. Get a nice little smoking thing. The reason why I'm doing this video is I haven't seen nothing on YouTube about this. I've been looking at them at Academy and great quality, so I thought I'd put a video for you guys, whoever's thinking about getting one. So that's a nice little temperature gauge. What's even neat down here, you have your own little serial number. Also what I love about it is it has a drawer right down here. Excuse me. You can take your, it burns all your charcoal. Drops in the drawer. And here's another neat thing. I was curious how hot this was going to be, so I put it on my Blackstone stand, you know, the bottom of it, because it's like, what, 2.5 inches from the bottom grill? Okay. This metal stand right here is still cold to the touch. Put my hand in all the way in the middle. My hand is not even getting warm on the bottom. All the way across the bottom. So I believe you can set this thing on anything. You ain't got to worry about it burning anything. So if you like tailgating, put on tailgate your truck, you don't have to worry about that burning your tailgate. I'm getting this for my RV. You know, a lot of times I go places and they don't have a charcoal grill. You know, I already have my Blackstone flat iron for breakfast, but sometimes I want to throw some wood chunks of wood on there and with some charcoal and, you know, grill up a steak or some burgers, have a good flavor, better flavor. So here you go, guys. Not bad, huh? Not bad. I mean, I like it. Great reviews on it so far at Academy. So far I like it. I'm gonna take it to the lake this next weekend and use it for real. Right now I'm just seasoning it. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it helped you guys out.